Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings today. We've heard a lot of special names coming out from Southeast, special squads when it comes to issue of security. We know of ESN, Eastern Security Network. We know about Ibubago security outfits. We even have heard about UGM, that's unknown gunmen. But right now, there seems to be another group that have come up, but this time around, Rochas Okorocha, the senator in Imo State Warrior, is pointing fingers and is asking questions that he wants no other person but Hope Uzodinma to answer. This is quite serious. Before we go to the next proper, like it, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Where the controversy surrounding the causes of insecurity and bringing down of people in Imo State has taken a new twist as a former governor of Imo State, Rochas Okorocha, has allegedly accused incumbent governor Hope Uzodinma of instigating bringing down of a former presidential advisor, Ahmed Golak, some traditional rulers, and over 140 innocent people during the UGM reign. Dismissing Uzodinma's recent stakeholders meeting as an exercise in futility, Okorocha wondered why his legacies, which impacted positively on the lives of the people, were being attributed to Uzodinma's administration, which he said was also making every effort to drag his hard-earned reputation in the mud through baseless and groundless allegations. Okorocha, who appealed to the Inspector General of Police, Usman Al-Khalibaba, to investigate his claims, also challenged the governor to explain to the whole world why he failed to mention names of sponsors of banditry, kidnapping, and bringing down of innocent people and other forms of criminality in the state at the stakeholders meeting in Owerri on Tuesday. Okorocha decried the growing insecurity bedeviling the state and challenged the governor to tell Imo people the truth about his secret security outfit codenamed HSF Security Forces. I take that again. HSF Security Forces, codenamed HSF, and Ebubago, an organ he alleged masterminded several bringing down of innocent people in the state. According to him, Mr. Governor should tell the world who brought down Golak, who brought down traditional rulers, who brought down 140 people, who beheaded those beheaded and displayed their heads as if they won a trophy. Okorocha, who also challenged the governor to unmask his squad, HSF, which compromises of security agents and where UGM or where unknown, I take that again, which compromises of security agents and were unknown to the Inspector General of Police and the Chief of Army Staff, with him as the commander, his chief security officer as coordinator, and his special advisor on special duty as chief organizer. He hired some criminals to implicate Uche Nwosu, my son-in-law. I have taken it as a matter of honor to let the world know what is happening in the state. The governor goes to Abuja to tell Mr. President lies. I know Mr. President as one whose integrity is not questionable, and he will not listen to those lies perpetrated by Uzodinma. The governor goes with squads that are dangerous anywhere he goes. He was made the chairman of APC governorship campaign committee in Anambra State, and they were bringing down a lot of people there. Since the Anambra election was concluded, there has not been any more of bringing down of people again in Anambra and in Imo State, since those he sent to abduct Uche Nwosu in the church had been unmasked. No bringing down has been recorded in Imo. Let the governor accept responsibility of what is happening in Imo, in the state. This time, I want to come out to let the whole world know the truth. This time, I'm out to expose the evil. He can no longer hide, he stated. He also stated that as a founding member of APC, he could not leave the party for newcomers, adding that he was done with any other elections except the presidency, which he was presently pursuing. He, however, described Uzodinma as a paid agent commissioned to frustrate his presidential ambition next year. This is gotten from this day. A lot of Nigerians have reacted to this. This is really strong allegation. So there is one host being, my God, what a name. One special squad. This is the first time I'm hearing such a squad. And according to Okorocha, Rochas Okorocha, he's saying that it's actually been organized by the governor himself. A lot of things he said this is really strong. Okay, but Nigerians, so we're going to take quick info on what is going on. A lot of reactions have trailed this particular statement he has made. It's a strong allegation, I must say, calling out names, calling out the governor, the chief security officer of Imo State, as the one behind the insecurity, and not the other way around. You know, he's a media person, that Uzodinma's media person, a day before called out Uche Nwosu and Okorocha as the one behind. But right now, the tables have changed. Okorocha himself is pinpointing the governor as behind the insecurity in the state. And according to him, there's a secret security outfit which he codenamed Hopism Security Forces. That's HSF. That's HOPISM. That's Hopism Security Outfit. He said that one is a special security outfit that is known with a selected few. I don't know how to make of this, but let's feel the pulse of Nigerians. This one here is saying more troubles inside the Ite-Ola port, cooking seriously in Imo. I tell you, the things that are going on there, man, is just the politicians. They should allow innocent Imolite to have peace in their homes. This one here is saying we're enjoying this rumble, okay? Continue. This one here is saying Primate Elijah Ayodele prophecy on the exposure of those behind the bringing down in Imo State is gradually coming to fulfillment. Let's wait and see the unfolding of events in the accusation. This one here says nothing will unfold beyond this argument. This one is only God will judge the two of you. This one here says now the truth is coming out. And IPOB, that's Indigenous People of Biafra, is exonerated. I've always said it that it is the politicians that are behind all this. Even against their own brothers, Igbos, IPOB is innocent. This one here is saying, you know all this truth and you kept mute since you know all this truth and you kept mute since. Why they blame the bringing down the people on IPOB and ESN because Uzodinma touched your son-in-law. That was why you came to say the truth. IPOB is blamed for what they did not even know. God will keep exposing all of you. This one here say Igbos are like that. Trouble all over, even at the various places of work. Igbos are known for crisis. Don't blame Okorocha, Rochas, and Uzodinma in their blood. Excuse me. Come on. That's one thing you should always. This fallacy of generalization. Let's be careful over it. Just like generalizing people is very wrong. Okay, this thing that is going, I can assure you, Imolites are not enjoying it. No one is enjoying. Nobody enjoys, chaos on rest, except for those who are profiting from it. But the average Nigerians don't profit. They don't enjoy it. That's why we'll wrap it up. This is definitely getting serious. While Uzodinma refused to mention name, Rochas Okorocha have taken the bulls by the horns and said to mention name.